how to get your child's name saved in Zoom calls. We've been noticing an issue where a lot of children are joining Zoom calls and their name just shows up as iPad-027 or iPad-091. And even if they change their name in that meeting, the next time they join a new meeting, it's back to iPad some number. So this is a quick little video to show you how to get your child's name to be saved for Zoom meetings. What you'll do is you will open up the Zoom app on your child's device, and that's again this app right here. You'll open that up and you'll click join a meeting right here. And you'll notice that it does in fact think that your child's name is, well, in this case, iPad 071. What you'll do is you'll delete that and you'll enter in your child's name. Now, for this next part, you'll choose meeting ID, and I just want you to tap the number 1 until the join button lights up. When it does, tap join. You're going to get an error because this isn't a real meeting code, but the process of trying to join a call in this way will save that name in the device. So you see here it says an error occurred. We'll hit OK. What we'll see now is if we hit join meeting again, it's now saved our child's name instead of showing us iPad-071. And we can confirm that this is working if we go into a Seesaw activity the next time that they click on a teacher's link. It will pull them into the meeting, and when the teacher admits them, you'll be able to see that it's showing that it has saved their name, and it should continue to save their name unless somebody goes back in there and manually changes the name in the Zoom app.